how to get GXP and level up on Mistplay. So first, what is GXP? GXP are game experience points which are used to level up in individual games on Mistplay. I'm going to show you 10 methods of how you can get more GXP. The first way will be playing games for longer sections, so it's awarded based on the time spent playing a game. Try to focus on one game at a time to maximize your GXP earning rather than jumping between multiple games. The second way of how you can level up in Mistplay and get GXP is completing in-game tasks. So some games offer specific missions or challenges, you want to complete those. The third way will be maintaining high activity levels. Mistplay rewards consistent activities, so make sure you are consistent on the app. The fourth method will be level up games. So each game you play has its own unit level. As you continue to play, your GXP increases the game's level, which leads to unlocking more units and higher payout rates. The fifth method of how you can level up is using game boosts. Mistplay offers boosts that can increase the rate at which you earn GXP. The sixth way of how you can do it is participating in streak bonuses. So playing a game regularly and keeping a streak going can give you additional rewards on Mistplay. The longer the streak, the higher the bonuses and GXP multipliers. The seventh way of how you can level up on Mistplay is referring friends. So if you use the referral program, that's going to help you out. The eighth method is focusing on high reward games. So some games offer GXP or offer more GXP than others depending on how long the game has been on Mistplay or whether it's part of the promotional event, The second method, the second to last, is going to be checking Misplay's boosted game section. So there's going to be a boosted game section where you can get more GXP and level up faster. And the last tip that I can give you is staying updated with promotions. So you gotta keep an eye on the Misplay's in-app notifications and emails. They will often promote time-limited events where you can earn more GXP and units. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.